dami-dami nangyayaring issues sa bansa natin ngayon. And I believe that it's time that we should nurture leaders of tomorrow, magkaroon ng boses. Chris Carlson,
Yes, Chris.
successful lawyer from New York, nagbabalik para to reunite with his barkada. At the same time, to fix his family issues. Katulad ng sinabi ni Direk, success is not measured by how much you have. Successful si Chris, pero malungkot siya.
Sabi niya sa trailer, sabi niya, tired na daw siya, ganun, pagod na siya.
Kumbaga, may character Chris here. People see his actions in a wrong way. Pero for Chris naman, he just cares for the people he loves, even though it might not be the standard way of helping, pero he cares a lot and misunderstood lahat ng mga tulong na ginagawa niya para sa pamilya niya. So, doon iikot ang character ni Chris. Ako, I feel very blessed. Nung isang araw, nasa Rockwell lang ako, may lumapit na binata, nagpa-picture sa akin. Taking up law school in Ateneo. Na maraming salamat daw dahil naka-inspire yung pelikula namin sa kanila. And one time, nag-grocery naman ako sa may SM Jazz dun banda. May tumakbo na bata. Sabi, ikaw yun, no? Sabi ko, sino? Bar Boys. Hindi ako yun. Ikaw yun eh. Sabi ko, joke lang, ako yun. So, I can see how the movie impacts a lot of people in a good way without even trying too much. Yung trying hard to impact. Pero tagos sa puso ng mga tao eh. So, as an actor, being part of movies, that's what you hope and aspire to have. Movies like that na impact. I can say nung younger days ko, experimental ako. Of course, I've done sexy, kontrabida, ganyan. Pero now, I'm at the point of my life. Tinatanong ko muna kung ano bang storya, ano bang sinasabi ng movie na ito sa tao.